Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to guide you on how to download Bread and Fred on your PC. First, make sure you have Steam installed. This popular gaming platform allows you to play a wide range of games. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the official Steam website in your web browser. Click on the Install Steam button at the top right corner and follow the prompts to set up the Steam client. Once Steam is installed, open the application. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Just click on Create a Free Account and fill in the required details, like your email address and a strong password. After registering, log in with your credentials, and you'll be taken to the main interface. Next, find the search bar in the upper right corner. Click on it and type in Bread and Fred. The game should show up in the search results. Click on its title to visit the store page, where you can get more information. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After you've completed your purchase, navigate to the Library tab at the top. You'll find Bread and Fred listed among your games. Click on it to access its library page, then hit the Install button. A window will pop up asking where you'd like to install the game on your PC. Choose your desired location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download finishes, you'll see a Play button in your library. Click it to launch Bread and Fred. That's all for this guide. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.